We have a clip like this. This is a simple clip, but if I play it back, you will see that this is how we should record without rush. We just start recording and let things happen in front of the camera. You can redo it, whatever you need. So first thing that I should do, before I place the shot on the timeline, what we should do is always, to save time, if I double click it, I can now come in here and remember that I can trim it down. Maybe I want to show the product that I'm putting into the cake or pancakes. So I'm just gonna remove all this part and only start here. So I'm just gonna press I or click this button. So I'm cutting all this part of the video. And then I come in here and there is 1 spoon, 2, 3, and 4. Great, and that's it. 5?
No, 4.
Okay.
It wasn't a full teaspoon.
Okay. Then I'm just gonna, I don't need this extra part at the end, so I can press O or click in here. So now, once I drop it into my timeline, I will only get the part that I want. I start reviewing this, okay? And the first thing that I notice is that this is not a good way to work for me, so I'm just gonna change to the vertical layout. So now this is way better for me. I see the shot way bigger, and I still have access to all the tools, okay? So I hit play, and I realize pretty fast that this is boring. Too long. The shot is good, I can see what's happening, it's just that it's way too long. The most common answer to this from all of us is like, I need to speed up the video, okay? That's not the right answer, because if you do that, if you come in here and select your video, you can press Command R to get this menu, or you can just right click, and on these options in here, you will find speed and duration. Using this menu here, you will be able to change the speed. This means that if I play the video at 200% speed, what's gonna happen is that if you look at the timeline, let's do it way faster, 400. So this means that it's gonna be a quarter of the length of the original. If you look here, you will see that the clip now becomes way shorter. And if I play it back, I get this. That by itself, it might be fine. But if the other clips around are not played at the same speed, it's just gonna look weird. Okay? It's just a bad solution for this. On this menu, now that I'm here, you can do more than that. You can just go in here and do like 50%. And now I have a slow motion. Okay, so it is even slower than that. Okay, and you will see how this, okay, it's not at the real speed, it's way slower. You will notice that if I'm pressing Command R, but you can do it with, remember, right click and speed and duration. If you go further than this, so for example at 20% speed, what's gonna happen is that you will see how you can see the jumps in between the pictures now? It's not, the video is not smooth anymore. When there is movement, okay, now. See how this is not a smooth movement? We can see the jump in between the pictures because they are really far apart. There are techniques that we can use. So if you change this option here to optical flow, what's gonna happen is that the clip is now, see this red line in here? When you see red on your timeline, it means that Premiere Pro is telling you, hey, I'm not capable of showing you this video in real time. I'm thinking, I need to process the video to show it to you. So we are doing a bunch of stuff. So this video feels smoother than it is right now. Okay, but the solution is not this one. The solution to fix this clip, so it's not as long and boring, is one technique that's called jump cuts. A jump cut, it's a cut in between the same shot. Okay, so what you can do is this. Look, here in the tools, you will find the razor blade or the razor tool. So I'm just gonna come in here from the start, okay? And I'm gonna come in here and I drop 1 spoon. And when I finished, I can cut, wait until we drop the second one. Okay, that's the second one. So cut, and now I can get rid of everything in between. So what we will get is in real time, just first spoon, second spoon, and keep doing it this way. Okay, better than I did, but 1, 2, 3, 4 spoons, and that's it.
So instead of spinning out, just remove all boring parts.
Exactly. That's the right way to do it. Okay, because the clips around the main one, around the slow one, are gonna be at the regular speed. Okay.